Welcome to Money Patrol User Guide video tutorial. For this video, you will be learning everything there is to know about Money Patrol's flow section. Let's get started. Flow. Flow depicts the flow of your money. This analysis is frequently used to assess your cash flow. It provides a picture of the amount of money coming in, where it is coming from, and how much is going out. Flow displays the amount of the current month's income, expenses, and cash flow. Income and expenses. Income is the amount earned or received in a certain period, whereas expenses are the costs used up or consumed in the course of everyday living. The graph allows you to visually assess how much money comes in, and how much is expended each month. Your expense is represented by the light blue bar graph, while your income is represented by the dark blue bar graph. To examine all of your income and expense transactions for each month, click on any of these bar graphs. Cash flow. Cash flows can either be positive or negative. It is computed by deducting your expenses from your income. If the difference is positive, it indicates that you have more cash at the end of the month. If the difference is negative, it implies you have less cash and spent more than what you earned. A green bar graph represents a positive cash flow, whereas a red bar graph represents a negative cash flow. Below the graph is a table of your income, expenses, and cash flow. This also includes your monthly average. If you want to check your cash flows from up to a year ago, select a time range from the drop-down menu next to Flow For. This allows you to see more of the prior flow. Recent expenses and income. This area shows the merchant as well as the amount of your most recent expense and income. You may select a time period and a specific account to view. Simply click on the drop-down icon and make your selection. Merchant and category insights. Select a time period to view by clicking the drop-down menu option next to Time Period. This restricts the shown transactions to those that fall within your specified time period. Date range. This displays the date range based on the time period you selected. Number of transactions. This is the number of transactions that occurred during the time period you selected. Total outflow. This is the total amount of money spent within the specified time period. You may view only the top 25 transactions or all transactions from the Merchant Insights and Category Insights. Click on the blue bar and a pop-up window will appear, displaying all the transactions associated with the merchant or category name you selected. Spend share by category. Spend share by category displays the money you spent in a pie graph format for the time period you selected. By using the drop-down menu, you can select to display simply the top 10 or all spent shares. When you click on any of the pies, a pop-up window will appear, detailing all transactions linked with that category within the time period you selected. And this is it for flow. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please watch the other user guide videos to learn more about Money Patrol.